I'm Marlene.
And I'm Paula, and today we will be dissecting a fetal pig.
Okay, this is the brain. And we have folds right here, the lines. We have the ears right here and here. We have the eye, and to show you better, it's right here, the eye bone. We have the nose, the mouth with the tongue, and down here, we have little hairs for mammals.
This is a digestive system. We're going to start with the esophagus. Then we're going to move on to the stomach that is down here. I'm going to use these. Oh, here's the stomach. Next is the small intestine, which is this all right here. Then we have the large intestine, which is all jumbled up right here. Then we have the liver, this right here. Then inside, well, under the liver, we have the gallbladder that is right here, this little sac. Then we have the cecum, which is this is the cecum right here. Okay. This is the fetal heart. This is an artery that branches off the heart. This is the uterine horn right here. This is the ovary. This sitting on top of the ovary is the oviduct. We know that this is a female because of her genital papillae right here, the little spike on the end, and the her anus. Let's see. Kidney. This is the kidney. This is a ureter that leads to the bladder. This is the bladder of the fetus pig. We're going to the lungs now. These are the lungs on both sides. Then we have the pancreas, which is this one right here. And after the pancreas, we have the spleen, which is this organ right here. And then we have the umbilical cord, which is this right here. The ductus venosus bypasses the liver and provides a direct connection from the umbilical vein and the inferior vena cava. After birth, this connection degenerates into the ligamentum venosum. The foramen ovale is a passageway connecting the right and left atria that transports partially oxygenated blood. Fetal modification allows the fetal pig to bypass this part of the pulmonary circuit. After birth, the foramen ovale closes and leaves an indentation called the fossa ovalis.